on a C104 bike, and I'm running barefoot. Roger?
Roger, and that fine business done. You're doing a great trip there. A great trip there, as a running, especially running barefoot. Well done, there's quite a few by there. If you don't mind there, we'll see who else is looking in. But thank you very much for coming back to the call there. My pleasure speaking, over. Roger, and not done. 160. I'll correct that there. Thank you very much, sir, for shouting in, my friend. It's been a pleasure. Sounding good. Okay, any other stateside, please? How about it? 048 Northern Ireland Mobile. Hello, 614 West Virginia. Very good day to you, sir. Very good day. The name's Marty, Mike Alpha Radio Tango Yankee. We're in the northwest of Belfast in the Mobile. Over. Roger, not 614. Thanks for shouting in there. A bit noisy there. 2 or 3 shouting there at once, but yeah, you're making it across the pond pretty good. What's the working conditions, my friend, over?
On that there, Marty. I want to tell you, Marty, you sounded mighty good over here on the state side here this morning there. I hope you have some nice weather over there in Arden there. We got rain over here at about 40 degrees there, and it's going to be a beautiful day there. But we sure been lucky there on it there, Marty. We didn't miss the all the way there. Back to you.
Roger, yeah. A wee bit quieter than that over there. I've got a piece to hear you napping. No problem, I got the weather. Just when I'm getting you nice and clear there, what was your operator name, please? The operator name and the unit number again there, just for my log, please.
Yeah, you got operator Keys up here in Grafton, West Virginia. Operator Keys. Be the inspector.
Roger, Keith, and what was your unit number, friend?
You got Delta Tango 614, West Virginia.
Roger, Delta. Yeah, we worked there. I think we worked there the other day, Keith. 2 Delta Tango. Was it 614, over?
Oh, yeah, QS on that there, Marty. I talked to you there the other day there, Marty. Boy, you still sounded real good there coming off the state side on me there. You got a good sounding station there, Marty, there, boy, see you.
Yeah, Roger, not there. Well, it is really, we're not just opened up. The estates there, they're not just really opened up properly to us there yet. You know, seem to be a bit later in the day, or as if it's going to open up at all there. But not just as strong today there, Keith. The band in general. But there you go. Yeah, you're sorry, don't get me wrong. You're making the trip without a problem there. Making the trip without a problem. But there you go there. Well, just we've worked a few states there, and where we had one there in the Puerto Rico there. That's all. The only other thing we've heard apart from Canada and America is one contact in Puerto Rico, over. Yep, think we're doubling that in Keith. I think we're doubled, my friend there. No bother. The band's just not totally ideal at the moment. Keith, if you're copying there, my friend, we'll try you there in a wee bit when the band picks up, over.
Okay, buddy, I'm kind of losing there. There's nothing coming in, so our condition is kind of fading off over here. We can still hear it. So this is down to 614, West Virginia. Good day there. I won't be on the side there with you. Good talking to you, Murray.
Right, no problem, Keith. Nice to catch up with you again there. You take care, my friend. Good DX, 2DT 614 from 048 Mobile. Standing by for any calls there, over.
123 to 048 Ireland Mobile, Marty, 910 Steve, Michigan.
Okay, 910 Steve, Michigan there. Big signal there. Well, I didn't see big audio, so I take it good signal there. Very good day, sir. Thanks for stopping in. 68 World Radio 048 is the call. The operator name is Marty. Mike Alpha, Radio Tango Yankee. And we're about static mobile just outside the town of Antrim. I'll just spell that for you. Alpha November Tango Radio India Mike. We're about 15 odd kilometres northwest of Belfast, Steve, over.
Yeah, Roger, Marty. Great signal in here. 5x7. Q5 signal at the time here. Conditions up and down on this end here. It sounded good here in Michigan. We're about 80 miles west of Detroit City. And you sounded great over here.
Yeah, fine business. I was just saying there to Keith there, I was just saying to Keith there that the band, it doesn't seem to just have opened properly there, this side for the States there. You know, maybe there half an hour. Hopefully it'll be a lot louder, but don't get, you're sounding good, Steve. You're definitely sounding good across the pond at the moment, over.
I've been here scratching off numbers. Okay, Marty, another QRM starting to come in here right now. Good QSO while it lasted, though. We'll reach you 73s there in Mobile Easy. 910 Steve in Michigan here. Thank you.
Okay, 910 Steve there, Michigan. Thanks for calling by there. Good day, good DX. QRZ. QRZ, please. 048 World Radio 048 Northern Ireland Mobile.
Right to the north is Steve.
048 Northern Ireland Mobile.
Could you give us 60 the Tango 208 a report, please? Over.
That station, you're over here where that is, you're over driving, you're cutting out and everything.